Hey, Miyagi style boys and girls. Hope you're having a good day today. Doing a quick one today. I just want to show you guys what you can do with a 3D printer, making accessories. I designed this accessory. I saw this kicking around somewhere on the internet. I don't remember where, but I thought this would be really cool if you're doing street photography or just still photography on the action camera. We all know that the Ace Pro 2, the record button is really stiff, and you really have to kind of press down on it to take a photo, which is not great because if you're doing that and you need your hands absolutely still, when you're pressing down, you're actually moving your camera. So I created this tab or designed this new tab for the shutter. And I figured, well, if I have the shutter, I'm just going to build a handle or grip for it. And the grip actually works with the Insta360 cage. You do need that cold shoe mount on the side. But anyways, take a look and hope you like it. It works really, really well.